Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Romona. Today, I have a question for you. Are you nervous about putting your face on camera? Is that stopping you from starting your own YouTube channel? Then try this, a faceless YouTube channel. I've had a channel for 10 years, and 6 years after posting my first real video, my channel just got monetized. It didn't take that long because it is faceless. It took that long because I was inconsistent with posting videos at the beginning. One question that I often get is, why don't you show your face on your YouTube channel? My answer usually goes something like this. When I first started my channel, I never really thought about it. My goal was to simply make YouTube videos that would help small business owners learn how to use social media effectively. And that's exactly what my videos do. Another answer that I have is that though I have conducted workshops and spoken at marketing conferences, sometimes for Google and Constant Contact, I still feel nervous on camera. Watch these videos to see what it looks like when I'm on camera. So this was my very first video in 2013. Let's take a look at it.
Hi, this is Romona, Washington, D.C. social media trainer. I will be bringing to you 1-minute tips daily. That's right, in your inbox. You have asked for it. A number of you that have attended my classes have asked if I had video. And today is your lucky day. And here we go.
This video was recorded in 2023. Yep, 10 years later. And it shows why I have no business being on camera. It screams, by now, Ramona, you should know that light should be in front of your face and not behind, making this video very blurry. Another issue is that I'm reading a script, and as you can tell, I'm not very good at it. I don't use scripts in my videos. I just go for it and say what I have to say. So let's watch this video so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's see this. I'm Ramona Foster from Social Media How To's with Ramona, and today I want to bring to you a small business tip. As a marketing consultant and constant contact partner, I use online marketing to help my clients get new customers and increase their revenue. So let's talk subject line. 5 to 8 words is plenty, and don't try to tease folks or be mysterious. That's the kind of message that will get your email opened, read, and acted on. So now you see what I'm talking about. On-camera videos is not for everyone. And if you're one of those people that it's not for, faceless videos are the way to go. Some people will say those videos are not so bad, but I'm still more comfortable doing faceless videos. So I will continue to do so. Besides, I believe that the content that I'm sharing is more important than people seeing my face. The comments I get on my YouTube videos prove that statement true. For example, people have said things like, thanks, after searching for days, this helped solve my problem, or mentioned how they watched other videos all the way through and they still didn't get the answers that they hit the play button for. My audience is either trying to learn something or fix a problem they are having, so getting them what they need is very important to me. The people have spoken. My advice to you is to learn your audience. That's your clients, your students, your patients, your readers. Whoever those people are, find out what their problems are, hit the record button, create a great video, and provide them with solutions to their problems. You do not need to show your face to do this. So how do I create my videos, Ramona? It's easier than you think. You do not need any fancy equipment to get started, even after you've been creating videos for a long time. I have been recording and editing my own videos with the same software for more than 6 years. All you need is an inexpensive screen recorder and video editor like what you see on my screen. This is Screencastify. Of all the screen recorders and editors that I have tried, it is the easiest and least time consuming. I use Screencastify to record my videos on my laptop or PC like I'm doing with this video right now. And just a quick note, I use inexpensive earbuds with a mic that plug into my PC and laptop. If you want to see them, the link is in the description below this video. When I'm done recording my video, I then open Screencastify's editor and edit my videos. Some people think editing a video is difficult, but they've made this tool for people like me who need something easy to use. As a side note, I do not have any relationship with Screencastify. It's just what works for me and what I have been using for more than 6 years. Sometimes I use Zoom to record my videos from my PC, laptop, and I use the mobile app on my phone. Most times I use Zoom when I'm doing a social media training with a group of people. Now, I do have a paid account, so I can record as long as I'd like. If you're using the free Zoom account, I believe you can record up to 40 minutes. Don't quote me on that. Look in your account to see what plan you have and how long you can record. When I want to record videos on my mobile phone, I use my Google Pixel, an inexpensive tripod, and my Google Pixel earbuds. You can also find an affiliate link for these in this video's description as well. I love my Google Pixel. They are known for great sound quality and clear videos and photos. Now, you do not have to buy the expensive versions of Google Pixels. And when you click on that link, you'll see how you can get a Google Pixel for less money than if you go directly to Google Store. Now, I do have two phones. So I have a good one, which I buy from Google Store. And then I also have another one. Again, you can purchase a less expensive one, as you will see. Honestly, this simple process got me a monetized YouTube channel. That is all that I do and have done over the years. And I don't see myself getting any fancier than that, as my main goal is to help small business owners grow and succeed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Once again, this is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.